Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use WordPress to create a website for beginners. First, understand that WordPress is a powerful content management system, or CMS, that makes building websites accessible to everyone. It currently powers over 43% of all websites online, from simple blogs to complex e-commerce stores. Its flexibility allows you to create almost any type of site you can imagine, making it perfect for your first online presence. Next, you'll need web hosting and a domain name. Web hosting is where your website's files live on the internet, and a domain name is your site's address, like your website. Com. Many hosting providers offer specialized WordPress hosting with one-click installation, simplifying the setup process significantly. Look for a host that provides good support and uptime, ensuring your site is always available to visitors. Once WordPress is installed, it's time to customize your site. Themes control the visual design and layout, offering thousands of free and premium options to match your brand. Plugins extend your site's functionality, adding features like contact forms, security enhancements, or search engine optimization tools. You can choose from over 60,000 free plugins in the official directory, greatly expanding what your website can do. Finally, you'll create your content using the intuitive WordPress editor. This block-based editor makes it easy to add text, images, videos, and more to your pages and posts. Focus on clear, engaging content and optimize it for readability. Before launching, thoroughly review your entire site to ensure everything looks and functions perfectly. Once you are satisfied, you can make your new website live for the world to see.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.